Hi friends, it's time to learn about the letter N with Nellie the nurse.
Look, I found someone's purse. It's filled with things that are getting for our man.
Did you ever know? Okay, we're going to read it. Did you ever know Nellie, the nice, neat nurse? She has in things in her Naugahyde purse, like 9 new nickels and newspapers too, neckties and nightgowns and navy blue shoes. If you're never ever naughty, she will let you peek inside at her nifty nothings that she just can't hide, like her notebooks and her necklace and her needlework too, name tags and numbers and nuts to chew. All right, I'm going to stop that and I'm going to share with you some other things that start with N. Look, we have nest, because N says N. Nose starts with N. Nap starts with N. No starts with N. No. Numbers. These are numbers. They're the numbers 1, 2, and 3, but they are all numbers. And that starts with N. Note starts with N. Net starts with N. Night starts with N. Nut. Nail. There's a nurse. I wonder if that's Nellie. And ninja. Oh, if you guys have time this week, you should do cuckoo, kangaroo, and ninja. That's very fun. I'll try to send that to you also. All right, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.